Hey, this is Zeb from Tim's Electric. We're a small residential electrical company up in Ketchum, Idaho. We made the transition to DECKED a couple years ago. This is my second system, and I'm just going to show you a little bit about how I use it. So before we got the DECKED, our trucks used to just be piles of wire, boxes everywhere, ladders all over the place, very unorganized. It was always tough to keep them clean. With the DECKED system, it's super easy. Everything stays organized. We have easy access to almost everything. There's no crawling in the back of the truck anymore. Keep everything that I need right away in the drawers because it's easy access. I can just pop them out, get to whatever I need. They even have these cool drawer organizers that I can just take into the job and use. So I keep like wire nets, stuff like that in there that I use all the time. And they've also got the DBox, which is another super easy access box that I can get all my drill bits, various screws, PVC glue, whatever you need. Get to it real easily. You can even get to it in the DECKED. Just pop this guy open, it's right there. So then I kind of keep stuff that I use a lot less often toward the back here. You know, I've got some random parts, socket set, laser level that I can just pop right out whenever I need it. It's good for lining up cans. And then over here, just got my hole saws that I use most all the time, 3 5/8, every electrician's favorite. Extra batteries, staple gun. Kind of keep this area for more hole saws and my multi-tool, usually Sawzall's right here, but left it on the job today. Back in here is sort of the longer stuff that we use less often. It's got the laser level stand, big loppers, keep some saws back in there, stuff that I use a little bit less. And up on top, the really cool thing about this thing is that I can fit one ladder that kind of does it all in there. Keeps the ladders off the top, makes the truck look a lot cleaner than normal. Keep my hand tools right on top just for easy access. Drill, stuff like that, wire, box of boxes. It's all stuff that I can get to really easily, but don't necessarily need on every job. Being an electrician, time is money. So the faster I can get to this stuff, the better. Having easy access to everything really helps us get from one job to the next and keeps us moving quickly. So the other cool thing about the DECKED system is when Friday rolls around and I'm ready to get out of town, I can just pop out the modular stuff, throw some camping gear in there, and hit the road.